If you make changes to a new workbook or an existing workbook, and you want to keep the changes, you'll need to save the workbook. Before saving, consider whether you would like the workbook saved in an online location, which is useful for collaboration purposes, or whether you would like it saved locally. Saving a file follows a similar process as opening a file. Depending upon where you wish to store the workbook or what format you want to use, the process will differ slightly. To save a new workbook via File tab. First, go to File and select Save. Check the location/folder to store the workbook in. Enter an appropriate name and select Save. Or select Ctrl+S. Give the workbook an appropriate name. Check the location to store it in, and select Save. If you select more save options, you will go to Backstage, Save As, and can continue from there. To save an existing workbook, go to File, select Save. Or press Ctrl+S from the keyboard, or select the Save command on the Quick Access toolbar. To save an existing workbook as another name or to a new location. From File, select Save As, or select F12. Check the location or folder to save the workbook in. If you are changing the name, enter the new name and select Save. To save a workbook in a different format, go to File and select Save As, or F12. Check the location or folder to save the workbook in. Enter a suitable name for the workbook, and select the drop-down in the Save As type box. Select the type of file you would like to save the workbook as, for example, PDF, template, or Excel 97 to 2003 workbook. To save a workbook as a PDF, go to File, select Export, and then create PDF or XPS. Check the location to store it in and edit the file name if necessary. Select Publish to have the active worksheets exported to PDF.